Welcome to our video on how to use online translation tools. These powerful resources help bridge language barriers and connect people from different cultures. Let's take a look at some of the most popular online translation tools available today: Google Translate, DeepL, and Microsoft Translator. First, let's access Google Translate. Open your web browser and type in www.translate.google.com. The interface is user-friendly and straightforward. To translate text, simply type or paste your text into the input box and select your desired languages from the drop-down menus. Many translation tools offer additional features such as voice input, document translation, and even translating text from images. While these tools are helpful, it's important to note their accuracy can vary, especially with complex sentences or idioms. To improve translation quality, try to use simple language and avoid slang or idioms that could confuse the translation tools. In addition to using translation tools, consider supplementing your learning with language apps and educational websites. Practice is key. Use translation tools in real-life scenarios, like ordering food or engaging with locals during your travels. In conclusion, online translation tools are valuable for effective communication. Remember to use them responsibly and keep learning. Happy translating!